Troubleshooting mTLS trust validation in AWS API Gateway. Understanding the issue with mTLS on AWS API Gateway. When configuring mutual TLS, mTLS, for AWS API Gateway, you expect it to accept only client certificates signed by your trusted CA, certificate authority. However, you might notice behavior where requests using certificates from an untrusted CA still succeed. Common pitfall: testing reserved endpoints. API Gateway has specific reserved endpoints like /ping that always respond with a healthy status regardless of client certificate validity. If you test mTLS by sending requests to these endpoints, it will appear as if any certificate, even though signed by untrusted or self-signed CAS, is accepted. This can cause confusion that the API Gateway's mTLS trust store isn't working properly. How to properly verify mTLS configuration. What to do? Avoid reserved endpoints like /ping or /sping for testing. These endpoints are designed to respond unconditionally. Create real API endpoints, example, /test, /data, that enforce mTLS validation. Configure your trust store in S3 with the exact CA certificates you trust. Issue requests with client certificates signed only by your trusted CA. Attempt requests using certificates signed by other CAS, including self-signed ones. These should be rejected. Expected behavior. Requests to non-reserved endpoints with valid certificates from your trusted CA should succeed. Requests with certificates from unknown or untrusted CAS should fail. Example verification. Upload your CA certificate, example, rootca.pem, to S3 and configure API Gateway's trust store accordingly. Sign client certs with the CA and test API calls they succeed. Try with a client cert signed by an unrelated CA. These requests should fail. If you get healthy responses on non-reserved endpoints for untrusted certificates, double-check your API Gateway mTLS configuration. Summary. AWS API Gateway's reserved endpoints like /ping don't enforce client cert validation. Always test mTLS on custom API endpoints. Proper trust store setup ensures only clients with certs signed by your trusted CA can access. By carefully testing non-reserved endpoints, you'll confirm your mTLS is working as expected and prevent unauthorized access via self-signed certificates.